Hello friends, welcome back to Multi-School Management System in Laravel 11. Last video we discussed about a class timetable. In this video we can continue same like assign subjects, so same thing as a assign class teachers. So we need to assign some class to some teachers so we can understand easily. So we need to do in this video. Okay, so before we need to start this video, you are new in the channel other than the series, so please subscribe Error Solutions and you can press the bell icon, so whatever content we are uploading, so always get the notification and you can start immediately new thing learning. And also, do you want to buy any script, so you can go to errorsolutioncode.com and you can buy it. So let's create a first new menu as a assign class teachers. Let me do open the PHP my admin first. Let's go to resources, views, inside backends. Inside you can see layouts, inside you can see sidebar.blade.php. Because I need to start to opening PHP admin, this reason I will open this URL. So let's scroll down. So here you can see it like a class timetable. So here you can create a new menu, assign class teacher, because I already researched about how we can do this reason. I already did his name and what we need. This reasons I will already first I am thinking what we need. So assign class teacher is a menu name, and here you can see it like a class teacher, same like we did here assign subject. So assign class teachers like this name, you can do it inside a URL, and this thing we can sort out inside a class controllers, means class controllers there inside we can works. So just you can do it assign class teachers. Let's save these files and just go back and refresh the page. So you can see new menu is available inside a academies assign class teachers. Now we need to declare here also, because we need to open always this menu once we can open. So just copy paste and you can put here and just change the name. So it's very simple, very easy. So active class always work. This is the reasons. Now we can go to back again, routes inside web.php, and just scroll down. So you can copy whatever do you want to like any routes, but I will try to copy as a assign subject because I need to use this one, this reasons. Okay, and just copy and paste. Now I will change assign subject to assign class teachers. Same thing, whatever we have created, you can see it. I just copy and I can put here every place like create. So means is a creating, editing, and last one is a deleting. You can see it. Now we need to change the subject controller to we need to put is a class controller, because we need to work inside class controller. We don't want to work inside subject because this is not subject work anything about that, so we don't want to work. So you can choose here class controller. Now here you can change like assign class teachers list. So just you can change the name. Okay, because once I will create all the routes after we need to work, so I can do it like this way. So I can do it very quick. So just I can put here and I can make replace. So you can see it every place done. Insert assign class teachers, assign class teacher list. So every place we have done about the replacing. Let's go back again and we need to go to class controller and we need to checks, means we need to create a new function. Let's make some zoom so you can see it proper way. Now I is a good definition. Otherwise do you want to go so app http controller, inside you can see backend, inside you can see class controller. I am just scroll down, I go to last one function, and here I create a new function. Just you can put the request or the request, and here you can put it like a listing. So let's copy for the class list and I can put it here. Okay, and here you can change assign class teacher. So you can create a new folder assign class teacher, inside you can use a list, and here you can change the name assign class teachers. Okay, let's go to backends. Inside you can create a new folder and after create a new file. So just list.blade.php. And you can copy whatever do you want to like. Let's copy for the assign subject one also possible. So just you can copy and paste here. You can copy like class one, so also can works. So whatever do you want to like, you can do it. Okay, your way. This is not a difficult, because here is a we did class filtering. This reason I have used this one. Otherwise I can use different one. Let's refresh the page and we can check it's working, not working. I just refresh the page. I click on the assign class teachers. So you can see it's working, but we need to change assign class teachers here. So just find and replace. This reason I have copied these files, otherwise I can copy another, but this is, so we can do it very quick, otherwise no any reasons. Here you can make like teacher name, subject name to teacher name, because we need to search as a teacher name here. And also you can make it here teacher's name. Here also you can change class name we need, teacher name we need, status we need, and here we can make a reset. Assign subject we can find and replace also possible, but let's make a copy paste wise so look like a professional, this reasons. Okay, let's scroll down. Here you can see it like create one, so you can copy paste here, also edit and delete it, so just copy paste here also. Now you can go back and refresh the page. Here also there about page ignition. Okay, but I know here data showing different. Here you can change to class name to teacher name, and status and credit dates and actions also need. So let's go back again, refresh the page here. So you can see ID, class name, teacher name, and status. Now we need to work here like a create assign subject. So we need to make like create assign class teachers. Just you can change the names, no any difficulty. Okay, so let's go back again, refresh the page again. So you can see button name also change, but I know here wrong data because of here we are getting like a class data. This reason error not generating because the Laravel provides suppose whatever column name do you want to type, so error not generating this reasons, but we need to make proper, so don't worry. Now we need to create a new function, create assign class teachers. So just go to again class controller, and here you can put it like a function create assign class teachers, and here you can put it like a request $request, and you can copy above ones and put it here, and here you can change to create because we need to create a file, this reason. And here also you can change create assign class teachers. Let's go to back again, create a new file .blade.php. You can see list and creates. Now you can go to back again, assign subject inside, and you can copy all thing and put it here. Same thing you can find and replace, so we can do it very quick for this one. Assign class teacher and replace all. So you can see it, I copy assign class teacher, here you can see create assign class teacher. Here is a class and here is their subject, so we don't want to show multiple subject, we need to show here teachers. So just you can remove right now and you can leave it, and here you can see it get class, so we need to use here get class function. We don't want to use this function, so simply $get class, and here you can put class controller. Inside you can see get record active. Let's go to class controller, sorry class model not controller, and here you can see it get record active, and here you can pass like a login ID like a, so you can see it school can do it, so auth users and ID, and here you can put it semicolons. And we can go back again, create ones, and here you can remove for the teachers list because we have not made dynamic teacher list. So we can go back and refresh the page here and click on the create assign class teachers. So you can see class, you can find out. Now same thing you can go to subject, sorry assign subjects. So we have a did here like a subject multiple, same thing you can find out here class multiple. So this class against which teacher do you want to assign, this reasons we need a teachers here. Okay, so now we need to put here teacher list, so we need to go to teachers, and this is the teachers we need to find, means we need to make it here checkbox wise. So first we need to get the teachers here. So let's go back again, and we need to make control Z so we can back all the records. Once we are done, after we need to make here dynamic. Okay, so let's go to sidebar, we don't need web.php, we don't need class model, we don't need list, we don't need, just you can leave it whatever do you want to need. Okay, so you can see it clearly. Now here you can put like get class, so you can put it new function get teachers, and same thing you can make get record active, so you can put it like a get teachers active, and here you can change to users model, so user, and this model we need to declare in above. Now you can go to down and you need to open for the users models. Inside you can see user model, and just scroll down so you can get admin, get school, get school all, get teachers. You can see it here. So same thing, you can copy and paste here, and you can see it here, user ID. So just put it here, user ID, because we need to do data only user ID wise. We don't need here admin ID. So copy all thing and put it here. And here you can see it created by ID. Inside we need, so other thing we don't need, so just remove. Like filtering we don't need, so just remove all the filter. And just remove, so look like professional, like spacing. Then here you can make get, we don't want to need page ignition, this reason. Here is a fifth user tab, means is a teachers. You can see it proper way. Now we need to pass here one login ID. We already passed login ID, you can see it, means a school ID, and we have put here created by ID also, so you can get it like a active. But here you can put like a active need to go, so one, and here you can put it like a status. So this is the, you can get it active, you can see it here. Okay, so let's go back again, refresh the page. But before refresh the page, we need to change the name inside a create, like a here get subject, and here you can put it like a teachers, and subject to, we need to put teachers, and here also you can put it like teachers ID. Same thing, you can make teachers name and last name, both name we need to show, so you can understand easily. Last name. Let's go back again, refresh the page here. So just refresh the page here. So you can see two teacher file, teacher test and test. Here you can see teacher test and test. So you can see it here, like you can choose this teachers and into this class, so it's also go, and here is active inactive also features available, you can see it now. Now we need to save this data inside database. So simply we need to create a new function for the saving. So just open the web.php again, routes web.php, and just scroll down. So we have already created a new function for the post method inside assign class teachers. So just you can function, and here you can put like a request $request. Now we need to create a first table like a class teachers, and inside we need to provide a class ID and teachers ID and status. Same thing we need to copy for the assigned subjects. So I can copy for this table, and I can do it very quick. So just copy for this table using the operations. Let's open, go to operations, and you can put it here, copy name. So what name do you need? Class teachers, and click on the go button. So table has been created again, and also you can find out new tables, you can see it. And just go to structures, and you can change here subject ID to teachers ID, like here you can see it. So just you can change teachers ID, but here is a no more need a subject ID, this reasons, and just press the enter. So you can see teachers ID also available, like created by means school. This is the, like who is a creating, so is I think school ID, 100% school ID, teachers ID, status, and you can see it, everything is clear. Before we can do here something else, we need to clear the tables. So look like, okay, so you can see it, clear the tables. Now we need to create a new model class teachers. Just go to models inside new files, and here you can put it like a class teachers model dot php, and just copy this name, because we need to copy like a assign subject model, subject class model. So this is the, you can copy and put it here, and you can change here for the name. So here you can make like a whatever name you did inside a table, so just copy and paste here. So every place you can find out, you can replace, like here you can find out, here you can find out, and here every place you can find out, you can replace. Delete one we need, it's created by class ID against we need to delete, so you can leave it. And here you can find out like a model name, so also you can replace, okay, because we can get all the records here directly, this reasons. And this is the get record function. So here you can find out like class subjects, you can replace to class teachers. Let's find and replace, so we can do it very quick. This is very simple, just you can do it like this way. Okay, not done, replace all. Okay, done. Now here is the filter, is the subject name wise, so you can removing. This is the join query, there is your subjects, so you can change to here users Here you can put users.id, and here you can make subject id to teacher id. So I can replace directly teachers id directly. I don't want to taking time to change it, this reason. And here you can make username, so here you can put like a teacher's name. You can set this the get record we did last time, this reason we need to copy same as when. So you can see it, everything is clear now. Okay, so here also we need to change like a subject to we need to change to users. Suppose we need to get the record for the selection time, this reason I will change now. Users don't name is a teacher's name. We need more name, I can add, so don't worry, right now just I need to provide like this way. And here you can check class subject, so we need to subject we need to check teachers. So you can just replace, but I will show you this function how to work, so don't worry, just I need to make right now all the function, so we don't want to wasting time to finish this video. Okay, so I will just change the function name every place. Now we need to copy this name for the models and need to go to class controller and just scroll up and put it here, means declaration need, and just copy and scroll down. So here now we need to go to again subject model, so the subject controller, and we need to copy we have already did in last few videos. So just scroll down for the subject, and here you can see it, insert assign subject. So just copy this all thing and need to go back again and put it here. Okay, so we are getting the data class id, we are getting the teacher id. So just you can change the teacher's id, and here also you can put it like teacher's id. So teacher's id also you can change teacher id, and this is the model we did. So here we are making like a, and here we can sort out again class to subjects class teacher model. So both place I will change. Now also is created by id, class id, teacher's id also there, because you can see it creating time we have already provided here name. You can see it here, type is checkbox, and here you can see teacher's id. So this teacher's id against we have made a all thing. Okay, now here you can see it like a class teacher model. So first we need to check is the data already there inside database, so we don't want to make entry. So we already did one function, so you can see check class teacher. Here you can see created by id, class id, and teacher's id. So this is the there inside database, yes there, so we don't want to make an entry. So just close this one and you can put it here. Okay, check class teachers, and here we have changed the model. Now we need to change the url. So let's go back again, and we need to copy this url, assign class teachers, and you can put it here. And here you can make like assign class teacher successfully created. Okay, let's test now is working not working, because everything setup done. Now I refresh the page here, so no any errors. Now I click on the next, and I just choose the ss3, and I just two subject, two teacher select active, and just click on the submit button. So error there, so we need to solve the error. So error not there, so we have a no issue. I think error there, so we need to check. Request class id, okay, subject id we have not changed, this reason I think this is the error there. Undefined variable you can find out subject id. So I will change now. You can see it, refresh the page again, you can see it, because I know error there, this reason I will refresh the page. I click on the submit now. So you can see assign class teacher successfully created, and I go to database, and here you can find out the entry like a 50th, and here you can see teacher id 6 and 5 both active, is not deleted also. So creating is done. Suppose I can create again to another one ss2, and I just select this teachers, I click on the submit. Now we need to do about listing. So here we need to find out like a class name, here we need to have teacher name, and a created and it is already there. So but we need to change the function. So you can see it here like a get record function here. So just you can change here, and just go to again class teacher model, and here is already there get record. So whatever name we have passed inside a parameter, so same parameter we need like id and is admin. Now you can go back again, and here you can see it, we have made a filtering Also we have made teacher filtering, but we have not made a teacher, sorry, class filtering. Teacher filtering we have not did, but I will do, so don't worry. And also we have made here join query. So here you can get like class name, and here you can get like a teacher name, but we need a last name also, teacher last name. So you can put it here. So what do you want to think? We need teacher name, so here you can make it like teachers last name, and also you can change here users last name, so you can get it for the teacher's name. Okay, now here we need to make a filtering, so same thing here, copy paste, and here you can change teacher's name, so you can put it here name, so you can change to users dot name, and here you can change the teacher name because we have already changed the filter, these results. You can put it here. Let's go back again, refresh the page here. I refresh the page, so you can see class name found but teacher name not found because we have not changed the name. So just resources inside list.blade.php and just scroll down, and here you can change to teacher's name, and another one you can put it like a teacher's last name. Sorry, like this, not there, teacher's last name. And just go back again, refresh the page here. So you can see it here, teacher last name also found, tested, but here is a class is different. So you can understand what I did. First we have create a page, inside we need to put like a multiple teachers here, like whatever teachers they are inside a teachers module, and after we have saved inside database, and after we have made a listing. Next video we can sort out filtering and also edit and deletes. Suppose do you have a question for this video, so please comment out, and do you want to like this video, so please like, and do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel. And this is the part 1 we have done. We need to work in part 2 and all things we can finish. Okay, and thank you for watching error solutions.